Hello. So in today's video we will see how we can create an ASP.NET Core Web API project using Visual Studio. So let's begin with this. So in this project I will be using Visual Studio 2022. So let's open that, and here is there is option for creating new project. So I will create, and here we can see there will be different kind of template or different kind of project which we can create. So in our case we will be creating ASP.NET Core Web API. So this is the template. Even we want, we can search here like whatever it is required, like ASP.NET Core Web API. So we'll search here, it will come. See here we can see that one. So let's begin with this. And now next now we need to give our project name. So in our case we will give project name as like first web API project, and select folder. Next, so leave as it is, everything's create. We are using .NET 8.0 here. So now it is creating our required project. So it will take like couple of minutes and it will create one project. Yes, so here we can see it has created one project, and we can see there is like by default some folder has been created and required file like controller, app settings, program.cs. This all file are like normally it will be generated for the first time. So now we want to run this project in controller. Like by default it will give us weather forecast controller. So let's try to run this. So either we can run like in HTTPS or HTTP. So let's run in HTTP itself. So now press here, it will go in debug mode. As of now we will give no. Build has been completed for our project. So now it will open in one browser. For first time it will take certain time because it will download certain files which are required to run our project. So now we can see our project has launched in Swagger. See, this is the weather forecast. So one thing we can see, like we are having weather forecast controller. So before controller, whatever word will be there, that will be kind of one endpoint here. So here we are having weather forecast controller, so endpoint will be weather forecast by default. Now in this way we can test our project. So let's try to test with Swagger. So try it out, execute. We can see, yeah, these are the value in JSON format, and status is okay, 200. So in this way we can execute our project, and also we can say this is our endpoint. So if we want to test in postman, even with postman we can test this one. We need to go in postman, we need to give this URL, and it will give us this result. Okay, so thanks a lot.